I'm talking to the man who needs absolutely no introduction, superb actor, fantastic human being, and irresistibly charming. Thank you, Jackie Shroff, for joining me at E Times.
Hey, thanks for such lovely compliments.
How are
That's
you,
sweet of you.
Jackie, and where are you traveling? Where are you going to?
I'm somewhere in the hills, Lonavala.
Okay.
See?
Wow. Always on the move. So today let's talk about, five of your favorite scenes. I really don't know which movies I should select and give it to you. But instead, if you do those honors, I think it will be superb.
Okay. Well, we can start from Swami Dada.
Fine.
That's where
1982.
was the
Yeah.
inception, 1982. That's when I first faced a film camera. And I came to know what acting is all about. And later on, I came to know what humility is all about. In just one or 2 days of shoot with Dev Saab. First was there was a scene where Shakti Kapoor Saab, there was an actor called Raj and me. We were supposed to run towards the camera, and that was okay. I mean, you could run and go to the camera because you're being chased, but you're being chased by bees, मधुमक्खी.
Oh.
तो बोलो मधुमक्खी हमारे पीछे छोड़ा और उसकी क्वीन मदर वहां पर वो डब्बे में थी कैमरा के पास. So they were all rushing to the queen mother. But they were after behind us. So first time I realized कि यार acting तो real है. मतलब नहीं भागेगा तो काट लेगा. So we ran for our lives. So that's when I actually realized that acting is quite real. I mean, you may make it sound like कि चलो acting ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. Solid real है bro.
और कितनी बार ये रीटेक हुआ?
नहीं एक ही बार ब्रू. एक बार मैं गेम भागा ऐसा कि जान लेके भागा. मैं शक्ति जी के आगे भागने वाला था. फिर मैं बोला नहीं वो बॉस है तो उनके पीछे रह गया मैं.
Wow.
And the other thing that I learned is when Dev Saab stood up for me, there was a shot where the fighter has to drop me holding my neck from behind like this. I couldn't do it. So the fight master was really angry with me. He said something and Dev Saab said, take it easy, take it easy. Naya ladka hai, seekh jayega. So I said, man, this is such a huge personality standing up for a junior artist like me and talking to a senior technician in support of me. I mean, that's when I realized that what humility is, how to take care of your juniors. You know what I mean?
Absolutely.
These were the lessons that I learned in the very first film.
You're blessed, I would say.
For sure, a name like Dave Anand sir, Dave introducing me is like God introducing me.
You're moving, Jackie, and we move on to your second scene.
Yeah. We're going in a tunnel if I lose you. We're going in a tunnel if I lose you, okay? Let the tunnel open up.
Yeah. Yes, Jackie, I can see you now.
Another one was Dev Das. It was a scene where Dev Das is really, really sad. And I'm trying to console him. So what scene ke andar bhidu, there was a point where a tear drops from Shah Rukh's eyes. And I was watching his eyes and I hold it. in my hand, in my palm. So the drop falls on my palm and I throw it. So what I realize is that whatever preparation or non-preparation, it's on the set. Basically,
Yeah.
that magic happens. It's just not out. Like you plan it. I mean, if I hadn't looked in his eyes, if I hadn't seen that tear drop, I wouldn't have been able to hold it. I'm getting into a tunnel again. Sorry.
This is quite an exciting interview. Shades of light and shades of darkness. Hi, Jackie. I can see you again.
Sorry, yeah. Sorry. So we were saying about Devdas, the scene where I say कि दर से इतना दूर जाते जहाँ पर कोई ना हो and something, and he gives something about, and a little tear falls down, and I hold it in my, say let's not, and I throw the tear off. It's like it's like throwing the grief away, and the tear happens to be the grief.
Yeah.
समझा बड़ू?
Yeah. So you said
मतलब
preparation.
कितना भी प्लान कितना भी कर ले, फर्क नहीं पड़ता है. सेट के ऊपर अलर्ट रहना चाहिए, सेट पे एक्टर की आंखों में देखना चाहिए.
जी. बट
समझा?
आप वैसे भी लाइंस वगैरह रिहर्सल्स घर पे नहीं करते कोई ऐसे सीन्स के लिए जब आप
ये थोड़ी रिहर्स करता हूँ कि उसकी आंख के आंसू पकड़ूंगा मैं. आंखों के आंसू पकड़ूंगा, ये तो रिहर्स नहीं किया.
नहीं, ऐसे नहीं, but in general I'm asking you.
No, we just study the line and we understand what the line is, who we are talking to, what is the situation. And then after all, director is also there to control us if we go bananas.
Scene number 3.
Scene number 3, I feel, is from Brothers.
2015.
Brothers, there was a scene where I actually understood what choking with emotion is. मतलब अपन बोलते हैं he choked with emotion. बोलने का आसान है, मगर वो महसूस करने का बैंड बच जाता है. सांस वाकई एकदम चोक हो जाता है. It was a scene where the fighter in the ring who's fighting Akshay Kumar hits the net and I fall down because I'm telling my son to buck up and all that, Akshay Kumar.
Yeah.
And this guy gets angry and he hits the net where I'm standing and I fall down. And I go away to my the gym room, where the TV is on, and my son is fighting him, and he's fighting now with a different emotion. He's fighting because his father is been hurt. You understand?
Yeah.
He's playing my son who doesn't like me, but when I see him fighting with that guy and really going for him, I kind of feel really happy. At the same time, my tears come out. तो मैं हंसते हंसते मेरा जो आंसू बाहर आया, तो मेरा सांस चोक हो गया. I nearly choked to death. I thought that I'm going to die. That is, in Brothers, I realized what that emotion is all about. That he choked himself to death. He choked to death. I nearly choked. That scene, if you see, it's in Brothers, where I'm in the gym room, or what do you call that? The changing room.
Yeah.
Watching the TV, and Akshay is fighting because his father has been hurt. Fantastic.
Scene number 4.
Gardish. It was a scene where it's a climax where I say मैं बुरा आदमी नहीं बनना चाहता था. मैं बुरा आदमी नहीं बनना चाहता था बाबा. So Priyan is like a really competent guy. He wrote the scene when he came to the sets. He wrote the scene. We had just 2 hours, 4 to 6 for the lights. And he told me, just say the line and cry in the end. So just say the line and cry in the end. That was my direction. And there was no time. And I can't even falter because light ja raha hai. So I think it was a scene which was done in a kind of jiffy without even realizing it. But when we saw the scene, I thought it had a lot of impact. It's a climax scene. If you have seen it.
Yes, and a fantastic film by Priyan.
Yeah, so the stress level of climax of the film, the stress level of doing it in an hour or so to get it right, all those things on my head with the lines just given to me, you know, and he said like prepare, and it's a climax line. So I thought that the way the casualness of the whole thing, the way Priyan handled the casualness, it was so casual that it really didn't feel like I'm going through a very big scene, you know, but it turned out to be nice.
उस पिक्चर का गाना हम न समझे थे, आज भी बार बार हम सुनते हैं.
हम न समझे थे बात इतनी सी, ख्वाब शीशे के दुनिया पत्थर की. Amazing.
Amazing, absolutely. And it was a very unusual film, you know, from Priyan's, from Priyan's stable. Quite unlike the many other films which he makes.
So true.
Scene number 5, Jackie.
There's a scene. There was a scene where Vinod Khanna sir, marhum mashallah, भगवान करे बहुत जिंदगी भर ऐसे ही रहे हमारे दिलों में. Vinod Khanna sahab is supposed to shoot me with a gun, and again the light was diminishing, and they had to shoot it fast, and there were 6 bullets effect on my body. Patthar ke insaan.
Yeah.
Patthar ke insaan. Now Patthar ke insaan, the film, I have 6 bullets on my chest, bullet effect. And because of the sun going down, there's a jaldi karo, jaldi karo, jaldi karo. In that jaldi karo, they didn't have the battery. They need to put the effect in the battery so I don't get the current.
Oh.
But they put it in the battery था नहीं, light जा रहा था, तो उन लोग ने real switch board में डाल दिया. और जब वो fire का effect दिया, तो जब तक के 6 bullet नहीं फूटा, I was stuck to the wire.
God.
On the chest. So what I learned is never run, even at the cost of a day's work going. But you can't take some. It'll be very difficult if you lose a life. You understand? तो सीन नहीं था डार्लिंग, वो ये था. तो जो भी एक्टिंग करता है, जो भी काम करता है, there should be patience. There should be a lot of patience when you're doing action sequence. You just can't go crazy.
So true. It was lovely talking to you, Jackie, as always. And a big thank you.
No, my pleasure. My regards to your family. Stay safe. Be calm. Keep your immunity. Pranayam. प्राणा साथ में आएगा, प्राण साथ में जाएगा. प्राण को अच्छी तरह से पकड़ के रखो.
Thank you, Jackie.